Katsu curry is a traditional Japanese meal that is loved all around the world. It usually consists of katsu curry sauce, rice and panko breadcrumb coated chicken breast. To make the sauce, the ingredients you'll need are 600 ml of chicken or vegetable stock, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of medium curry powder, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, 2 large carrots, 2 onions, 2 cloves of garlic, a pinch of fresh ginger, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable or groundnut oil. Start by finely dicing your onions, carrots, ginger and garlic. Then place a pan on medium heat and add the oil. When the oil's hot, add your chopped onions, carrots and ginger. Once it's slightly golden, add the curry powder and turmeric, then mix until all the veg is coated. Add in the chopped garlic for 20 seconds, add the flour and mix. Then add in your soy sauce and syrup. Then slowly add in the 600 ml of stock. Keep mixing it to remove lumps. Once the stock has been added, add your pinch of salt and pepper. Keep stirring until combined and cook on a medium heat until the carrots are soft. Let the mixture cool and put it in the blender, blending the sauce until smooth. Finally, serve the sauce over cooked rice and a chicken breast or spinach croquette. Enjoy!